let's talk about the fourth movement. Usually I think we do a little mistake when we decide to give this as orchestral excerpts, because it usually starts by that. And I think it's important to play the first bar before, because the triplets are a kind of answer of this. Dum, boom, bim, bam, boom. The orchestra do that. Dum, boom, bim, bam, boom. And I think when you play the first bar before, you will not play the same, I think you will play better, in a better way that. Because you will be in the energy, and for me it's a nonsense to begin something like this. So, for that, usually, because it's fortissimo, a lot of people play it a bit long and heavy, like. So there are no groove. We don't understand the rhythm, and I think it has to be more jumpy. Be careful about the dynamics, because a dynamic is not something objective. It's more an indication of musical indication, and not decibel indication. That's my fault. When you see this fortissimo, it means just that it's a big tutti and it's really low in the register, and it has to be really powerful. But that doesn't mean that we have to play it like as loud as possible. So just try to be more efficient. I think to play more with more attacks and more jumpy, more vertically, will be more efficient than just playing louder. So we have, I think, just be in the energy, and you can do kind of crescendo. Just to think about not do a release like this, but it has to stay loud.